Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Poonam Voike. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Dermaco Snail Peptide 96 Advanced Moisturizing Cream. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So I've already tried all the products from the Dermaco Snail Mucin range. I've tried their under-eye cream, their Snail Peptide serum, as well as the Snail Peptide Hydrating Face Wash, and they have worked really great on my skin. Now I've been trying out the Snail Peptide 96 Moisturizing Cream on my skin for the past couple of weeks, and now I'm ready to share my experience with you all. So coming to the product details one by one, so you get 100 grams of this product in tube packaging. Now this product retails for Rs 449. It is fragrance-free, dye-free, paraben as well as mineral oil-free. Coming to the key ingredients one by one, so this cream contains 96% snail secretion filtrate. Snail mucin is an amazing ingredient to include in your skincare routine. It contains glycoproteins, it naturally contains glycolic acid, and it helps in hydrating as well as plumping the skin. Snail mucin helps in holding the moisture and gives your skin a very plump as well as hydrated look. It also contains glycolic acid in it. Now glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid which helps in gentle exfoliation of the skin. As its molecular size is really small, it helps in reducing fine lines as well as wrinkles. As well as it also helps in reducing pigmentation on the skin. Apart from this, snail mucin also have reparative properties. So if you are dealing with dry as well as dehydrated skin, snail mucin helps in recovering those areas. Snail mucin also helps in repairing the skin barrier, as well as it also helps in reducing inflammation on the skin. This product also contains niacinamide in it. Now I've talked about niacinamide so many times. It is a form of vitamin B3 and it is very good for oily as well as combination skin types. Although this moisturizer is suitable for all skin types, but if you have an oily or combination skin which is prone to acne, you can definitely give this one a try because it contains powerful ingredients which will help in reducing inflammation as well as the formation of acne on your skin. Now niacinamide also helps in promoting collagen production. It also helps in controlling excess oil production. Now it also contains peptides in it. So peptides are great ingredients if you are looking for something which can firm up your skin because peptides help in increasing elasticity as well as it will improve firmness in your skin. This moisturizer also contains hyaluronic acid in it. So hyaluronic acid is an amazing ingredient to hydrate as well as plump your skin. It will help in holding 1000 times its weight in water. So it will nicely plump as well as moisturize your skin. Coming to the texture of this product, so it has a very nice slimy texture, but it absorbs easily on the skin, giving that dewy matte finish to the skin. This moisturizer also contains dimethicone in it, so it will provide a smooth canvas to your skin and it is ideal for application before your makeup as well. Now coming to the application of this product, so you can use this product both in your AM as well as PM skincare routine. So you can cleanse your face nicely, you can apply your target specific serum, you can apply this moisturizer on top and then follow up with the sunscreen in the morning. Whereas in the night time, you can cleanse your face nicely, then you can apply your target specific serum and then follow up with this moisturizer. As this moisturizer contains both hydrating as well as moisturizing agents in it, it will give a very nice youthful glow to your skin. Overall, I'm really impressed by this moisturizer. It contains really good ingredients which are really beneficial for the skin and it is very well suited by oily as well as acne prone skin types as well. All the products from the Dermaco are now fragrance free and you can purchase this product from Dermaco's official website and you can use my coupon code POONAM2024 for getting a flat 20% off. This product is also available at Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa as well as Purple. The Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with the Young Scientist Initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. I'll put on the links of the product in the description box below to check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. And while using any kind of active, don't forget to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen in the morning. So this is all for today. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.